Hey class, so today I'm going to show you guys how to download a file and save it in your own folder like this. So first, you're going to start off by right-clicking, going to New, then you go to Folder, and you can rename your folder. So I'm going to name this one Social Studies 1 because I already have a Social Studies, so there's no need to rename it the same because then I'll get confused. So now, when you download a document, you're going to want to click it. Wait for it to open. And once it opens, you're going to want to click Enable Editing. Once you click Enable Editing, you're going to want to go to File, Save As, double click this PC, then you're going to want to go to this PC and click Desktop. You can double click Desktop, and now you're going to go ahead and look for your folder. So I named it Social Studies 1. So I'm going to double click Social Studies 1. I haven't put anything in there, so it's blank. And before you enter your file, you're going to want to rename your file whatever it's called. So if it's a reading log, you're going to want to rename it Reading Log 1. And now, when you go to your desktop and you go to your folder, Social Studies 1, you can double click, open, and there's my Reading Log 1. This should make it easier for you to find the files when you're trying to upload them to Canvas to make sure that you upload the correct file. So we're going to cover this a little more tomorrow, but that's the gist of it. Hope you guys find this helpful, and hopefully this makes your life a bit easier.